Hello students, here we are going to learn how to solve linear equation with two variables. To find the answer for two variables, we need at least two linear equations. Actually, we have methods to solve linear equations. Those are elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. In this video, we are going to see how to solve linear equation with the cross multiplication method. For that, we need to know this how to write this. So for this given equation, I am going to write as this. So for that, we have to write what are the variables we have. We have to write here, leave space in between those variables, and also write in the last one. So in the first part, we have to write the coefficients of y. What are the coefficients of y? Plus 5 and minus 1, right? So I am going to write plus 5 and minus 1 before the x. And the constant part 9 and 5 I am going to write those values in between x and y, and the coefficients of x will be written in between y and 1, and again the coefficients of y is going to be written in the last. So I am going to simplify. So simply cross multiply these things. 5 into 5 25, 9 into minus 1 minus 9. Defaultly there will be a minus in between those two values, and again similarly y divided by cross multiply these two things. 9 into 3 27, 2 into 5 10. Defaultly we have to put minus, right? And again 1 by 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 5 into 3 15, put minus in between those two numbers. So if we simplify, it means 34 y by 17 and 1 by minus 17. We can write it as equate these two things is equal to 1 by minus 17, minus 17x is equal to 34, then x equal to 34 divided by minus 17. This will give the value of minus 2. Similarly, equate these two things. Y by 17 equal to minus 1 by 17, y is equal to minus 17 divided by 17. This will implies y equal to minus 1. So these are all the values of x and y. Similarly, I am giving a problem to practice. So try it out with the method of cross multiplication and give your answers in the comments. Thank you.